video, and after a long time we have another update for OrangeFox recovery and for Android 13, Android 12 and 12.1, that means 12L as well. So let's get started how you guys can install that OrangeFox. If you have already installed any custom recovery on your device, that means on Redmi 7, you guys can easily install that one. And if you are totally new, your device bootloader is not unlocked yet, then of course you guys can follow the process. I already uploaded videos on it, so check out description for that. Now let's boot our device into recovery. So device is booting into recovery. I have already installed OrangeFox recovery in my device. So device booted into our pre-installed OrangeFox recovery. Now we will just replace the new one with the older one. So navigate to the folder you have downloaded the file. So I have mine here. Just select the file and swipe to flash, and it will be automatically redirected to the latest one. And so here you guys can see the countdown at 5, so it's booting into the new one. And remember one thing, if you are using any Android 11, Android 10, Android 9 custom ROM or MIUI ROM, then don't need to install this one. And if you are using custom ROM of Android 12, 12.1 and Android 13, then of course you can install this one, because the decryption issue is present here in the lower version of Android, which is Android 11, Android 10, Android 9, and of course the MIUI ROM as well. So don't use this one if you are using any MIUI ROM or any Android 11, Android 10, Android 9 custom ROM. If you are using any Android 12, 12.1 and 13 custom ROM, then you can install this one, because decryption issue already fixed in that one. So you guys can see here I'm using Android 12 here. The Nusantara project already made the videos, so you guys can check out description for review. So like as before, all OrangeFox recovery always same. So here you guys can see Delvic data cache system, and we have the newly cast here as usual, the things and format data section, and of course you guys can check out settings as well. Here is the settings, settings option. This is the settings option. You guys can customize according to choice, like you guys can text password, pin code, you guys can set that one, and can display brightness, you guys can select increase or decrease, whatever. So this is the about section. You guys can see our 11.1 an unofficial build for Redmi 7, Onclite and Redmi Y3 as well. So this is the review of the OrangeFox recovery, latest one, and the internal storage is decrypted finally. So this is really cool. Thank you for watching.